Hi, it's Heather Dawson from No-Wildfire. I'm going to show you how to register for your community protection network. That's the sensors you've been seeing in your neighborhood, sampling environmental data using artificial intelligence to identify fires. When a fire is detected, text messages are sent to the neighborhood so they can share information with each other, fire responders, and reduce the risk of loss. Go to the QR code, scan it with your phone, and you'll either see the image with the register, or you'll see the image that says, please enable geolocation for this website to see the current status around your actual location. If you need to enable the geolocation, please go to the second video. The QR code will take you to this website in a browser on your mobile phone. See how it's asking me for my location? I want to allow that. And now I'm going to register. Add my first name. I can add my last name if I want to. And my number. And this needs to be the same phone number that is on my phone. I'm going to pick a point of interest near where I live, usually my property. Pick it here. Agree to the terms and register. The application is now going to send my phone a text message, and once I confirm that, I'm registered.